Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into class. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Class, which means an occasion when pupils meet with their teacher for instruction. Number 1. Lesson, which means a period of learning or teaching. Lesson, for example, an advanced lesson in maths. Number 2. Seminar, which means a class at university in which a topic is discussed by a teacher and a small group of students. Seminar, for example, teaching is usually in the form of seminars. Number 3. Workshop, which means a meeting at which a group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. Workshop, for example, a workshop on combating job stress. Number 4. Period, which means each of the set divisions of the day in a school allocated to a lesson or other activity. Period, for example, 2 periods of PR allocated on the timetable. Number 5. Tutorial, which means a period of tuition given by a university or college tutor to an individual or very small group. Tutorial, for example, formal teaching consists of lectures, tutorials, and practicals. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.